At the outset, before we begin and go any further, I would like to say a very special good morning to each and every one of you. As we know, we all gathered here for celebrating 155th birth anniversary of our great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi, who was generally known for his kindness and unity. He believed in truth, non-violence and peace. He is known as the father of our nation. He had described his life history in his autobiography by the name of My Experiment with Truth. On behalf of Gold Classes Institute of English Language, I am your host Aradhya Singh. I want to thank everyone for joining us this morning and being a part of this celebration. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this celebration of Gandhi Jayanti 2024. This institute follows the tradition and creating talents and changing the lives of people. I am proud to be part of this family. It is needless to say we are imparting quality education of students. We have with us the founder and CEO of Gold Classes, Dr. Avnendra Sir. I welcome you, sir, from the core of my heart for joining us today. You have, with your constant and tireless efforts, benefited hundreds and thousands of people. I feel shortage of word to admire what you are doing for us. Thank you so much for changing our lives of number of students like us. Without, sir, please come on the stage and say some few words for this occasion.
Thank you, Aradhya. Thank you so much for wonderful introduction. And I really feel proud to be here, and I am very happy, extremely delightful to be here on this special occasion. And being the owner and founder of this tiny institution, Gold Classes Institute of English Language, I want to give a message on this special occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. So this day is not an ordinary day. We have to keep in mind we should always follow the tradition of non-violence, truth and peace in the society. If we don't follow those rules made by our great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi, we cannot think of the better tomorrow. Our country can grow, can become a developed nation only and only when we follow the rules he made. And he was a great person. He was very honest with his efforts. He never, slapped anyone throughout his life. But the sad part is that he was assassinated. So this country is very cultured and we are known for our culture and civilization. But we are remembering his birth just because he is the father of nation. He devoted his life for the country that we are in. He devoted all his life for the peace and prosperity. We are free, we were under the British rule and we were not free to live here in this country. But it was the effort of him that we are free now. I can say everyone please follow the tradition, follow the words he insisted on, and whatever he told us we should always keep in mind. I can see that there is a news that Iran has done some ballistic attack on Israel. So this is the recent news today, and I think the countries like Russia and Ukraine, they all are fighting each other. But the message, the clear message Mahatma Gandhi told us and gave us, was to live in harmony. But the whole world is not living in harmony. The message he gave to the world is to be followed and is to be kept in mind. Only then we can be a better place to live, and we should always follow the tradition of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The entire world is a family. We should not fight with other countries. We should promote harmony in the society. That is all I have to say on this special occasion. Thank you everyone for joining us and being here and making this family so proud and delightful on this special occasion. I want to permit all my students to speak something. So please Aradhya, go ahead and continue with your stuff that you have.
So much, sir, for your kind word. We will keep your words in our mind. Moving ahead, I want to invite Sivalika ma'am to share her views on this occasion. Ma'am, please come on the stage and share some words.
Thank you so much, Aradhya, for having me. Very firstly, before I go any further, I would like to say a very special good morning to all of you. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Shivalika Singh. If I talk about my qualification, I have done my post-graduation in sociology. Apart from this, I have completed diploma in elementary education. That's all about me. Today we celebrate a special day of Gandhi Jayanti. He was peaceful and kind leader who fought for freedom. Another thing is that was a thinker and statesman and freedom fighter of India. He gave slogan "Do or Die." He used weapon of non-violence and truth to against from British. He gave slogan "Do or Die" to push British rule out of India. At last, due to his effort, India got independence. Mahatma Gandhi still lives in the heart of millions of Indians. That's all about him. Thank you so much, Aradhya, for giving me this opportunity. Last but not the least, I am grateful to you, sir, for giving me this opportunity, and thankful to all of you to paying me attention. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words. Now, I would like to call Aman Prajapati to share his views on this occasion. Please come on stage.
Very firstly, I willing to say thank you so much for inviting me here. This is an absolutely honor for me to be here, and I'm really excited to be a part of this journey, and I'm happy at this moment. Today, on the special occasion of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, and we are here to celebrate. It is a celebrating on 2 October in India. This is an important national event. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader of India and a freedom fighter of India, and he was very honest and a peaceful mind, and he believed in simple living and high thinking, and his policy non-violence, and its people very well, and people from all the religion love and respect. That's all about him. Thank you very much.
Moving ahead, now I would like to call Antima Singh to share her views on this occasion.
So firstly, I would say thank you, Aradhya, for inviting me here. So first and foremost, before I begin, I would like to say a very special good morning to all of you. So I would say introduce myself. My name is Antima Singh. I am from Jaunpur itself. If I talk about my academic qualification, I did my post-graduation in botany. So that's all about me. Today is Gandhi Jayanti, to remember Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as father of the nation. He helped India gain from freedom for British rule. One thing is that I like, he taught us to be kind and truthful. We don't need to be differences. So let's use this day to remember Gandhi's value and try to be kind and truthful our own lives. So that's all about him. Thank you very much. Before I end, I would like to say I am very thankful to you, sir, for providing this opportunity, and I also thankful to Aradhya. And I would say very thankful to all of you for paying your attention. That's all about it. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Antima. Now, I would like to call Sejal Yadav to share her views on this occasion.
Good morning to respected sir and all my dear friends. I wish you a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. got the opportunity to give speech on Mahatma Gandhi. I feel very proud of this. My name is Sejal Yadav. Mahatma Gandhi born was 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, in a Hindu family. He was a great leader of India. He is also called Father of Nation. We call him Bapu. His father Karamchand Gandhi. He was greatest freedom fighter of India. Thank you so much, sir. That's all about him. Last but not the least, I want to say I am very thankful to you, sir, and I am very grateful to all of you. That's all about it.
Thank you, Sejal. Moving ahead, now I would like to call Satyam to share his views on this special occasion.
Thank you, Rajan, for inviting me here. Good morning, everyone. I respected Dr. Ravinder sir and Prince sir and my dear friends. My name is Satyam and I am standing before you to deliver a speech. My topic is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is famous for as the father of the nation of India. He was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Gandhi played a crucial role in India's struggle for independence. His philosophy of non-violence inspired millions of around the Mahatma Gandhi taught us that true strength lies in kindness and compassion. He believed that every individual has the power to make a difference. His life was a dedicated server his country and its people. He became an international symbol of India leadership. Even today, he continues to inspire and motivation young peoples worldwide with his value and principle. He was just 18 years old while studying laws in England. Later, he went to British colony of South Africa to practice his law, where he got a differentiate from the light skin because of being a dark skinned person. That's why he decided to become a political advocate in order to do so some positive change in such a unfair laws. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and happy Gandhi Jayanti to all you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Satyam. Now I would like to call Mohammed Sharik to share his views on this special occasion.
Before I begin, I would like to say a very special good morning to all of you. I am thankful to invite me here. We are here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji was born on 2 October in 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. And Gandhiji was a very honest person. He was a great freedom fighter of India, and he led the many rules. He gave us Bharat Chodo Andolan, and he was Gandhi Yatra and lot of things. In my opinion, he was a great leader and a social worker. It's all about Gandhiji. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mohammed Sharik. Moving ahead, now I would like to call Komal to share her views on this occasion. Please come on stage and
Thank you, Aradhya, for inviting me here. First of all, before I begin, I would like to say a very special good morning to each and every one of you. It is my pleasure to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Komal. Basically, I am from Jaipur, etc. Today is 2 October. We are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. He was born on 2 October 1869 in Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is the father of nation. He was a greatest leader of India. We call him Babu. That's all about him. Thank you. First of all, before I begin, I would like to say I am grateful to sir and I am thankful to all of you. That's all about it. Thank you.
Thank you, Komal. Now, I would like to call Vikram to share his words on this occasion.
Very firstly, I would like to say thank you, ma'am, for inviting me over here, and thank you to all of you for being here. And first and foremost, before I start, I would like to say a very special good morning to one and all present over here, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Vikram Sod, and basically I am from Jaunpur itself. When it comes to my studies, I am in class 10th, and today on the birth anniversary of Gandhiji, we are gathered over here for celebrate it. And he was born on 2nd October 1869 and died on 1948. And I mean to say, he was not died; he was killed by Nathuram Godse, and he is still alive in the minds of all the Indians and in the hearts of all the Indians. And he was he is known as Bapu with love right now, and he got the title of Mahatma because he follows the rules of non-violence and Swadeshi and boycott. That's all about him. And in the last of my talk, I would like to say thank you to all of you for paying attention on me. Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me over once again, and thank you, sir, for being with us. And I would like to add something in the last. Gandhiji said, "Do or die." It means do something for country or die. The famous slogan of Gandhiji, "Do or die." It means do something for country or die for country. And he said at that time, when all the soldiers are not ready to fight against the Britishers, then he said, do for country or die for the country. We should not be living in the slavery of the British. So, and I would like to thank you, Gandhiji, for his kind words, and he sacrificed his life in order to give us independence. And I would like to thank all the freedom fighters who devoted their entire life in order to complete freedom. And thank you to all of you. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am, for once again I like to thank you, ma'am, for inviting me over here. And that's all about it.
Last but not least, now I would like to call Prince sir to come and share his views on this occasion.
First and foremost, a very special thank you to Aradhya for inviting me here. Before I go any further, I would like to say a very special good morning to each and every one of you. By the way, my name is Prince Saroj. We are gathered here to celebrate on Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. I want to deliver a few words for Mahatma Gandhi. महात्मा गांधी का जन्म 1869 में गुजरात के पोरबंदर नामक जिले में हुआ था, और जो इनकी माता का नाम पुतलीबाई देवी था और इनकी वाइफ का नाम कस्तूरबा गांधी था। महात्मा गांधी हमारे भारत के स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों से एक महान लीडर रहे हैं। इन्होंने बहुत सारे आंदोलन चलाए, जैसे क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट, भारत छोड़ो आंदोलन, 1920 का असहयोग आंदोलन, जिसमें इन्होंने बताया कि भारत की अंग्रेजों का किसी भी चीज़ों में सहयोग नहीं करना है, और इन्होंने अंग्रेजों से देश को आज़ादी दिलाई। गांधी जी भारतीय इतिहास में एक बड़ा नाम है। और यदि बात की जाए आईएनसी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की, तो 1884 में एओ ह्यूम ने आईएनसी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस की स्थापना की थी, और वो इसलिए की थी ताकि भारतीय लोग अपनी बात को रख सकें। गांधी जी पूर्व में सम्मेलन में भी हाजिर हुए। गांधी जी के द्वारा बहुत सारे ऑपरेशन कराए गए, जिनमें से उनके साथ बहुत सारे लोग शामिल थे,
और एक बड़ा चेहरा है। गांधी जी भारतीय इतिहास में बहुत ही बड़ा चेहरा है, तो उनके बारे में जितना भी बोला जाए कम है। साथ ही साथ एक और ही महान ऐसा स्वतंत्रता सेनानी का जन्मदिन आज ही के दिन पे हुआ है, जिनका नाम लाल बहादुर शास्त्री है, तो मैं उनके बारे में भी कुछ कहना चाहूँगा। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री का जन्म 1904 में उत्तर प्रदेश के मुगलसराय जिले में हुआ था। यह एक परिवार से, बहुत गरीब परिवार से थे और आज लाल बहादुर शास्त्री भारत के द्वितीय प्रधानमंत्री भी रहे हैं। इन्होंने भारत के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है। जब ये कानून मंत्री के पद पे थे तब इन्होंने भारतीय इतिहास में भीड़ को हटाने के लिए लाठियां चार्ज करने की जगह पे इन्होंने पानी के बौछार से करने की पद्धति को अपनाया। जब ये रेल मंत्री थे तो रेल मंत्री में क्या हुआ था कि एक बार ये रेल का सफर कर रहे थे, रेल की दुर्घटनाओं को देखने के लिए, रेल की स्थितियों को देखने के लिए, तो इनको एसी कोच में बैठा दिया गया। फिर बाद में इन्होंने कहा कि एसी कोच की स्थिति तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है, एक बार मैं जनरल बोगी की यात्रा करके देखना चाहता हूँ कि वहाँ की कैसी स्थिति है। तो जब उन्होंने वहाँ पे जनरल बोगी में बैठ के यात्रा किया तो उनको एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ हुआ कि यहाँ पे लोगों की स्थिति बहुत ही ज़्यादा खराब है। लेकिन उस दौर जब ये प्रधानमंत्री बने तो पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के बाद ये प्रधानमंत्री बने, तब सन 1964 से 65 का दौर था, 1964 से 65 का दौर था, जिसमें भारत बहुत ही ज़्यादा अकाल और सूखे का सामना कर रहा था। इसलिए इन्होंने एक आंदोलन, एक नारा इनका प्रसिद्ध है, जय जवान जय किसान का। तो इन्होंने जब ट्रेन की उस यात्रा को किया तो इनको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि भारत अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्टारवेशन से ग्रसित है, तो हम हर एसी में, हर एक बोगी में एसी तो नहीं लगा सकते हैं, लेकिन हम हर एक बोगी में पंखे तो लगा सकते हैं। तो आज के जो ट्रेनों में पंखे सब लगे हुए, ये सब हमारे लाल बहादुर शास्त्री का देन है। और इनकी ईमानदारी को हम इसलिए कह सकते हैं, भारतीय इतिहास में अगर देखा जाए तो ऐसा कैरेक्टर बहुत ही कम जन्म लेता है। एक बार क्या हुआ था कि इनको 4 व्हीलर मिली थी सरकार की तरफ से इम्पाला, और बिना बताए इनके बेटे सुनील शास्त्री लेके उनको चले गए थे किसी पार्टी में। वापस से जब वो 4 व्हीलर को लेके आया तो इन्होंने अपने चपरासी से कहा कि ये कितने किलोमीटर चली, इसको नोट किया जाए और सरकार को मैं एक पैसा इसका वापस करना चाहता हूँ। That's all about it, sir. आज के गाड़ी को
Moving ahead to the conclusion of this program, I want to say thanks to the founder of board classes and our coach Dr. Arnendu sir. Last but not least, I want to show my gratitude to all of you for joining us. Thank you everyone.